Imagine this 2 million years ago, an early human is standing over a dead animal. But there's a problem. The meat is already gone. Lions, hyenas, and other predators got there first and stripped the carcass clean. All that's left is bone. So what would you do? Walk away empty-handed? Or do something that sounds almost unthinkable today? The answer is they cracked the bones open and ate what was hidden inside. And this wasn't a one-time act of desperation. It was a huge part of the story of how we became human. Today, we're going to find out why ancient humans ate bones, how they did it, and how this single habit helped shape the human brain as we know it. Today, when we think of meat, we picture muscle, a steak, a chunk of flesh. But early humans, especially species like Homo habilis and early Homo erectus, were not great hunters. They didn't have sharp claws, powerful jaws, or the speed of a cheetah or lion. That meant one thing: humans were near the bottom of the food chain. When a large animal died, lions and saber-toothed cats fed first. Then hyenas and other scavengers cleaned up whatever was left. By the time humans got there, all that remained was broken, cracked bones, the skull, some leftover connective tissue. Logically, there should be nothing left to eat. But this is exactly where early humans discovered one of nature's best-kept secrets. Bones hide two incredibly valuable things that aren't visible from the outside. Bone marrow, a soft, fatty substance packed with calories and nutrients. Brain tissue inside the bone, rich in fat and protein. No lion or hyena can crack open a thick bone with just their jaws. They simply don't have enough bite force. But humans had something no other animal on the savannah had: the ability to make tools. Early humans picked up rocks and shaped them into hammerstones, using them to smash bones open and scoop out the marrow inside. At Olduvai Gorge in Tanzania, archaeologists have found fossilized bones with clear tool marks, proof that early humans were deliberately breaking them open for food. This wasn't just survival. This was innovation. Here's where it gets really interesting. Bone marrow and brain tissue are extremely high in fat and calories, making them a kind of nutritional jackpot. Think about it: since no other animal could access this food source, humans had essentially found an untapped, competition-free meal hiding in plain sight. Many scientists believe there's a direct link between this high-fat, calorie-rich diet and the growth of the human brain. The brain is an incredibly energy-hungry organ. It uses about 20% of the body's total energy, even though it's a small fraction of our body weight. A diet that consistently delivered fat and protein would have been the perfect fuel for a brain that was about to get much bigger. So eating bones wasn't just a desperate survival tactic, it may have been an evolutionary advantage that set humans apart from other primates. And there's another major outcome tied to this: the rise of tool-making and problem-solving. Once early humans realized that rocks could be used to access hidden food, that same mindset eventually led to weapons, shelters, and the foundations of human technology. Eating bones wasn't only about marrow. A few other factors played a role too. Food scarcity during harsh periods like ice ages. When plants and fresh meat were scarce, bones became a reliable backup food source. Mineral needs: bones are also a source of calcium and phosphorus, both essential for the body. Not wasting any resource once an animal was hunted or scavenged, using every possible part of it was simply smart survival strategy. Interestingly, many anthropologists believe early humans relied heavily on scavenging, eating what other predators left behind, rather than hunting alone. If that's true, breaking open bones wasn't an emergency measure at all. It was likely a regular, everyday practice. So the next time you see a documentary showing early humans smashing open bones, remember, this wasn't just weird ancient behavior. It was a smart survival strategy that set humans apart from other animals, helped fuel the growth of our brains, and sparked the very beginning of tool-making. Sometimes, the smallest and strangest-looking moments in history turn out to be our biggest evolutionary victories. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you were there back then. Do you think you'd have cracked open a bone too?